Okay, so let's answer this problem. Nakita ko sa group. So this one's under dynamics naman. Labasin nga ba to? Yung kinetics, this is the second part ng dynamics. First one is the kinematics, diba? So this one's the part 2, kinetics. So, I think malabas pa rin naman to, pero di nagaano yung dynamics of rigid bodies sa boards. Pero sige, let's answer this. This one's involving Newton's second law of motion. Yung summation of forces. O yun, summation of forces, ang kapal, is just equal to mass times acceleration. Okay? Kung sa statics, first law of motion tayo. Sa dynamics, actually, first and third pala yung sa statics. Sa dynamics, gagamitan na natin siya ng second law of motion. So, in the figure below shows a 45 kilogram moment. So, sige, draw na agad natin yung pwede nating ilagay. So, 45, so that's the mass, binisa na weight eh. So, legalistic tayo. So, that's the mass number 1, 45 kilograms. Okay? Who is standing in the scale as she rides in the elevator that weighs 8,000 newtons. So, meron din pala to. Yung mismong elevator, may weight din siya. Of course, hindi kina-consider din natin yun. Okay, so lagay natin yung values. Medyo makapal ba? Aha. For a while. Ayan. So, sige. This one is 45. So, gawin na nating Newton. So, multiply natin by acceleration due to gravity. Then, yung elevator ay 8,000 newtons. Ayan. So, determine the scale reading. Okay. And the corresponding acceleration. Okay. So, yun pala yung required, no? The required ay scale reading and the corresponding acceleration. So, the law pala required if the elevator, if the tension in the cable is 4,400 newtons. Okay, so 4,400, so ito yun. Okay, 4,400 newtons. Ayan. Actually, yan na yung free body diagram. Di ba? So, assume natin, syempre mag-assumption muna tayo, that the motion is, upward tayo, upward, positive. Ay, upward yung positive natin. Di pa natin alam yung direction ng ano eh. Di pa natin alam yung direction ng motion. So, sige, assume tayo na positive upward. Ayan. So, acceleration is in positive upwards, ganyan. Blue na nga lang. Indecisive. So, ayan, positive upwards. So, ayun. And, ayan nga. Pag kinat natin yan, ito pala, mo-consider pala to into two parts. It can be treated into two parts. So, yung una, yan, tanong doon ay, ayan, scale reading. So, this one is yung internal na yung mga forces, yan yung interaction ng weight ng women and yung scale. Okay? So, ayan, gagamitin natin yan. So, ayan, gagamitin din natin pala ng third law, Newton's third law of motion. Yung una, para makuha natin yung acceleration, consider natin yung whole structure. Whole. Parang sa statics, di ba? Kino-consider mo natin yung whole structure and then yung per joint. So, parang ganun lang din dito sa dynamics. Specifically dyan sa kinetics. So, unahan natin. So, considering yung external forces. External forces. So, paano yan? Ayun, may nakalimutan pa pala ako rito. Di ba tension to? So, di ba two sides yan? So, pag kinat mo yan, ay two parts yan. Pag kinat mo yan, ganyan. So, may ma-activate ka rin tension sa kabila. Baka ma-neglect mo yun. Di ba? Meron din yun sa kabila. Dalawa yan sila. Dalawa yan sila. I almost forgot. So, sige. External forces. Summation of forces along Y is what? D na 0, mass times acceleration na to. Or total mass. Okay, not just mass. Total mass na yan times acceleration. Ayun, so makuha natin si acceleration dito, di ba? So acceleration is just summation of forces along y, then divided by total mass. And again, positive tayo, zoom upwards. So ano yung mga value niyan? For the acceleration, summation forces along y, positive. So dalawang 4,400. So tension. Sige, okay na nga yung mga values na. Para direct sub na lang tayo. Summation forces, yan upwards. Then minus natin yung downward. So that is yung 45 kilograms multiplied by natin by the acceleration due to gravity and minus din yung weight ng elevator. All divided by total mass. So mass lang yan. Dapat kilograms yan. So yung ang ma-consider natin dyan, of course, yung mass ng woman, that is 45 kilogram. Then, mass ng elevator. Ang given ay weight. So, paano yun? Weight is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity, di ba? Sige, ilagay ko na lang din. Weight is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity. So, mass is weight divided by acceleration due to gravity. Ayun, direct sub. Ay, direct sub. Yan na nga pala yung values, no? And then, input na lang calcu. Direct sub, nilagay ko na nga pala yung values nila. Usually kasi, nililet ko yun as variable lang. Sige, so that's 2 times 4,400 minus 45 by 9.81 minus 8,000. Diba? All divided by 45 plus 8,000 divided by 9.81. So, dito natin malalaman if positive to or negative. So, ayun, positive. So, tama ang assumption natin na ay nga, upward yan, motion niya. So, accelerating upward. Pag nag-negative to, edi pababa. Acceleration. Deceleration, no? So, 0.417. 0.417. That's meters per second square. Lagay natin ang direction. Ayan. For the first part. For the second part, eto na. Syempre, nasa loob yung woman, di ba? So, ayan, yung interaction niya tsaka yung nung saan naman ng scale. So, ibahin ko yung kulay. Tinawad na gumawa ng panibagong, panibagong FBD. So, dito na lang natin, ibahin na lang kulay. Oops, mali pala ng direction. So, weight ay downward. And of course, may normal force tayo dito sa scale. Opya. Ang laki. Ayan. So, this is, ayan. So, ito ay normal force, di ba? Exerted by the scale to the woman. Normal force N. Tapos ito yung weight niyan. So, basically, ano yung tinatanong? Scale reading. So, ito yun. Di ba? Yun yung weight, ayan yung magiging reading ng scale natin. So, yung normal force exerted by the scale on the women. So, ayun. So, ganun pa rin. 45 times 9.81 pa lang din naman. Pare naman yan. For internal forces, summation internal naman. Yung nasa loob ng elevator mismo. That's what I meant dito. Internal forces. So, still, sum pa rin natin. Which is, ano na pala, nakuha na pala natin acceleration, no? So, hindi na pala yung assumption. In direction also ng acceleration. Summation forces along y is also equal to mass times acceleration. So, mass ng woman na lang naman yan, di ba? So, yan na. Di ko na ito total. So, paano yan? Ayan, lagay na natin. So, 45. Oops. Normal force muna pala. Positive eh. Then, bawas natin yung 45 times 9.81. And then, yung mass ng woman na, ano yun? 45 nga rin. times the acceleration, which we already have the value for that. So again, so this is the normal force. Paano yan? E di, store ko na to sa A. E di 45 times acceleration due to acceleration minus, plus pala, plus 95 plus 45 times 9.81. That's it. So that's the force 460 point ilan? Point 20 newtons. Normal force. Sige, di naman nakalilito, no? N equals point something N. So that's it. Yan yung scale reading. Which, ayan. If we have a tension na 4,400. So, ayun, I guess that's it. Hope you learned something. Thank you.